In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix not working on your Hisense Smart TV. Whether it's stuck loading, crashing, or won't open, here are 6 working methods you can try. Let's get into it. Method 1. Restart the TV. Turn off your Hisense TV and unplug it from the wall. Wait 1 minute, then plug it back in and power it on. This clears temporary glitches. Method 2. Check internet connection. Press the home button on your remote and go to Settings Network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and working. You can also try restarting your router. Method 3. Clear Netflix app cache, Vita/Android TV. Go to Settings Apps Netflix. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Reopen Netflix and try again. Note, the menu may vary slightly depending on your TV model. Method 4. Update the Netflix app. Press Home, go to App Store or Google Play Store for Android Hisense TVs. Search for Netflix and install updates if available. Method 5. Update the TV software. Go to Settings, System Software Update. Select Check for updates and install if there's any available. Method 6. Reinstall Netflix. On Android Hisense TVs, go to Settings, Apps, Netflix, Uninstall. Reinstall it from the Play Store. On some Vita TVs, you might need to reset the TV to remove and reinstall apps. Still not working? Try accessing Netflix on another device to check if the issue is with your TV or Netflix itself. You can also contact Hisense support for model-specific help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful TV tutorials and streaming fixes.